the road again. Just can't wait to get back on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get back on that damn fucking road again. Oh yeah, there's the river. Yeah, it's got some water in it. It's not rapids, but it'd be good for fishing. Alright. Getting close now. There's a light right up here. We turn left. And it's about a mile down the road. Stay green, stay green. Thank you. Oh. Great. Okay. Good. Get behind the one guy that wants to stop at Sonic. I don't see no balloons floating around, but the sky looks clear over here though, so maybe they're gonna have it. Well, that sucks. Just got the update on Facebook, and it says, due to the rain, there will be no balloon glow tonight. So looks like I'm gonna drive 60-something miles for no reason. Oh well, I'll make a little video or something, huh? Oh well, better than sitting at home. They got casinos, bowling alleys, and all kind of stuff here. I don't know if I'll ever be able to turn. And straight ahead there's an indoor shooting range too. Well, how are you guys doing tonight? This is Saturday night. Saturday night in the, well, I was gonna say big city, but it's not really the big city, so. Yeah, it's a miracle. I'm gonna get out. Man, what a crash, you know. This guy had to sneak in before me. Go ahead, man. Ruin your engine. What was I saying? Oh, what a crash of emotions, man. Drive up here and I'm like, yeah, this is gonna be great, man, because I've never been here when it was like started to get dark and watch the balloon glow, where they, you know, they just tether them up like 20, 30, 40 feet in the air, I guess, and then they just pretty much show you how it looks lit up in the sky and stuff. And I thought, wow, it's gonna be great. And then the further I kept, this is about 35 miles from my house. And when I got on the highway, the closer I was getting to being here, the more it was raining. It started to rain and stuff, you know. I thought maybe it would just blow off and the clouds move away out of the area of this South Shawnee where this is, and but it didn't. So, and on Facebook they have a page there where they're doing like updates every 15 minutes. You know, usually they're about 5 or 10 minutes late. Like, supposed to be the last update was 7:45, but they didn't give it till like 8:05. You know, they said due to the weather, we won't be able to have the balloon glow, but the concerts are still playing. They got like 2 bands playing before and then after the balloon thing. So I guess it's gonna go on till 9 or 10 o'clock. But the food trucks and the beer and all that stuff, they shut down at 9, I think. So, but anyway, it was a valiant effort. Well, I hope wherever you guys are that you're not burning up in humid heat, and then you're nice and comfortable. Maybe we could do that one pretty soon. I don't want to tell you what it is, but it's pretty cool too, though. It involves a landmark and a place that you go inside and look around, so it should be pretty cool. Camera that I use for my dash cam, it does pretty good. I'm surprised. It's not no dash cam camera. It's a little Sony A7II. When the Sonys first came out, mirrorless ones, I wanted to try one out, and so I bought it. Back when it came out, I think it was like $490 or something. I don't remember. But and I thought it was really cool. It's so small and handy, and takes such great crisp pictures, you know. And then when you do, ooh, come on, brakes, there we go. And then when you figure out how to do the video, you'll really be surprised, you know. So if you ever see one of these little cameras here on sale somewhere, that somebody just wants to get rid of it because they want to upgrade, you should buy it. The A5000 or the A6000 or the A6400, they're all excellent. And what I learned from getting this camera and then eventually acquiring a Sony A7II, that Sony has, like, by far, bar none, they have like the best point, what do you call it, focus point system ever, man. I mean, their pictures are super clear, man, crystal clear. So they're like way outdistance the others, I think. And I'm a lifetime Canon man, and all my equipment is Canon. I have L lenses, multiple Canon cameras and stuff, you know, not the little ones, the big cameras and stuff, you know, full frame and everything. You know, I'm into the 1DX series, you know, so it's the really super heavy one to carry and stuff. So that was another thing, getting older and stuff. I thought these little Sonys are pretty handy, and they make a better picture than anything else, you know. Of course, I never had anything on a Canon that had a video camera. And since I've been on YouTube for the last couple of years, that's what piqued my interest in Sony cameras, because they do such a great job on video. And so yeah, in lieu of buying a regular dash cam, you know, that you see everywhere, then I use this one because I use everything else. I use my camera to do videos, and then lately, since I have a good phone now, you can use that for videos also. Shoot, why do you want to spend money on a camera when your phone has like up to 48 megapixels? It can make like a cinematic movie, you know? So there you go. That's why you see a lot of people, they have a fancy mic, and they might have a gimbal, or you don't even need a gimbal anymore because they have stabilization in them. They just have like a little holder, you know, a little mini tripod holder, and it works great. It just works great just to make your videos. So I don't know why anybody wants to spend money on a camera anymore, you know. But it's too late. I already got mine, so I'm not going to get rid of my Sonys ever. I don't know about the Canons, you know, but, and that's all I got to say about that. Life is like a box of chocolates. And I just noticed on the way up here how the dang price of gas snuck back up again. Even here in Shawnee, where it should be lower, it's $3.50 a gallon. And I think I paid right at $4 when I was coming here. I was like, am I picking the wrong gas? You know, I looked and it said four something a gallon. I went, what? So yeah, people aren't paying attention, or else they could get complacent with the prices and stuff. And they don't pay attention, and the next thing you know, I think I missed my turn off. Dang it. I wish I had something good to eat. I could get into having like a patty melt. I know it looks like we're going slow, but I'm going 70, so. These other people are going a lot faster. That one on that far lane over there, he's going at least 85. Okay, this is on the main drag now in Midwest City. I'm still headed home. This is Air Depot Boulevard. This is the one that goes to the main gate of Tinker Air Force Base, and so it's usually pretty busy, and it's where all the food, fast food, and all that kind of stuff, restaurants, all kind of stuff. And yeah, about 15 different pot stores also. Of course, huh? But in Oklahoma, you got to have you have to be licensed to do that. It costs you like $200 to get your license. It's not worth it for a year, I don't think. I think they need to drop it down like $20, and everybody would really go crazy over it. Of course, they've done real well with it, though. Okay, I'm going to end it right here. So just want to take a second and tell everybody thanks so much for coming in and watching not only this video but all of my videos, and really appreciate it, especially those that have subbed to me and support me. Oh my God, you guys are the greatest, and I love all of you. Thanks so much, and we'll catch you on the next one, okay? Have a good one, you guys. Later.